Hello. Today I'm going to explain the learn English pronunciations about the vowel sounds. And for start, I introduce myself. My name is Sara Bedoya Torres, and today I'm going to start with the mini lessons. Okay, tutor and classmate is very important. Know that is the concept of the pronunciation. Okay, the pronunciation is the way words are expressed. An important fact is that it is easy to distinguish the English from the Americans by their pronunciations. Okay, first, it is very important to know the sounds of the vowels. Is the item very important? For this I want to share with you some very important and easy examples. I say it and you repeat. Okay, the vowels. The first letter is cat. First word is cat. Repeat, cat. The second, bird. Bird. Birds. Open your mouth. Bus. 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 Walk. 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 Far. 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 Feet. 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 Hot is long. Ow. Hot. Feet. Feet. Bed. Bed. Cold. This word is sound that you. Cold. Cool. Butter. Butter. And food. Food. And to finish, I want to share with you some very important words. That is words that we use on daily basis and that perhaps we are mispronouncing. It's very important to know this. Okay. Fact. Fact. Repeat after me. Fact. Far. Far. Work. This word is sound that oh. Work. Work. Flower. Flower. This W is sound that you. Flower. It change. Flower. Cat. Cat. It is easy. Think. 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 This T is changed with it. So it sounds think. Think. Come on. It's the vibrations. Start. Start. Somewhat. 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 Shade. 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 And it's finished. Thanks for attention, tutor and classmate. I really hope that you understand these facts and thank you so much.